Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to configure our next generation firewall as in transparent mode. So I will just go ahead and take the access of my FTD now. So if you remember, my PC is, so this is my firewall which is in the transparent mode, and let me go ahead and check. Yep. So now you can see that configure IPv4 I am configuring manually. So I will give an IP address of 10.1.1.5, subnet is 24, and default gateway will be 10.1.1. Fully qualified domain name I will give it as ngips.cisco.com, and I will give a server DNS names. So since I am not doing anything with respect to my DNS things, like I'm not going to the internet or no inspection, nothing, so it's a basic lab. So that's why what I will do, I will just go ahead and provide only one DNS, that is the Google one. So 8.8.8 should be good. Now next, cisco.com domain name, and once this is being done, it will ask you that whether you want to manage this device as locally or via FMC. So we have to say that via FMC. That means I have to select no, I don't want to configure this device local. Now the very important thing is that next thing, in which mode you want to deploy this one. So you have to say that transparent mode. Alright, so now I will say that it's by default in the routed mode, so I will say that transparent mode, and now my firewall will be configured in the transparent mode. Right, so my firewall has been configured in the transparent mode. So now in order to my FMC to in order to register with FMC, I have to configure the manager. So I have to say that configure manager add, that is 10.1.1.4, that is the IP address of my FMC, and keyword will be the password Cisco. And now my firewall is ready to be registered with the FMC. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.